Good morning, English 9 team. I want to first commend you on the great work that you've been doing to support each other and your students. I am in your classrooms often, and the positive environment that I have observed can be attributed to your passion for your students. Thank you to each of you for all that you do. I also want to recognize the challenges that you face as a PLC. We have a deficiency of PLC time, and though I am excited for our new schedule next year and the possibilities that will bring, I haven't forgotten that it is still difficult for you to work together meaningful as a PLC. Henry Ford said, "Coming together is a beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success." As a PLC, you have already accomplished the first two of these statements. You cooperate and function as a team. You abide by norms and come to consensus on instruction and assessment. You have persevered despite the challenges of not having enough time to work together. As we eliminate that barrier to your success next year, I wish to encourage you to taking working together to the next level. Our school motto is setting the standard for excellence. If we are truly to exemplify that model, then we must strive for higher goals together. I would like to see your PLC really investigate what highly functioning PLCs can do when they are provided the resources to do meaningful work. At our school, we often rely on our highly successful students to attain our goals, but I'm very concerned about our students who aren't highly successful. Are we really doing everything that we can do to facilitate learning for our most struggling students? Our CASP data shows that our English learners and African American students have far lower success rates than their English-only and white counterparts. It is essential that we make a concerted effort to close this achievement gap within our school. Studies show that English 9 is a vital year that determines whether students will succeed in high school. I would like to task your team with reading an excerpt from Matthew R. Larson's Common Core Mathematics in a PLC at Work. This text and the discussions that result may provide you with a common language for how to structure this expanded PLC time effectively. Let's move forward together and continue to do our absolute best for our students. Thanks.